got one, guys. That's a big one. Oh, it's a big one. What's up, YouTube? I'm Gabe Feldman from the Florida Bass TV here. We are out on the Lake Ida chain, and we are going to try to catch some shad with the cast net here, throw them in the cooler, use those as bait, and then hopefully catch a clown knife fish. That's what we're going for. You guys have seen them all over YouTube. I mean, they're an exotic species someone released here, so hopefully we can get some. There's a lot of boat traffic today though, so stay tuned, guys.
So I guess I just suck at catching shad because I can't seem to find any shad anywhere. Use like a whole bag of bread to chum them up, and I didn't even, nothing. I caught like one. Anyways, we're gonna do our best to match the hatch. We got a fluke and a little jerkbait on there. This looks pretty good, like shad. I don't know. I mean, trying my best here. So hopefully you can catch some fish. Let's get to fishing. Oh, that was a fish. Oh. Largemouth. Alright, guys. First fish of the day. Nice little largemouth. On the little, what's it called? The sluggo on the little jig head. I think it looks kind of like a shad, how it works. Cut him off that pipe right there. I'm gonna let him go. Fish on again. Ooh, it's another largemouth. These fish really like this bait, guys. I'm gonna stick with it. They like it. A little sluggo on the jig head there. All right, little guy. I literally saw a clown knife sitting under one of these lily pads a second ago, and I spooked him when I got too close. It was so cool looking. Probably like a couple pounder or so, not that big. Some kayakers that were in here earlier, they said they didn't catch anything. It's probably because they didn't try this canal. That's right, these fish are here. I saw clowns rolling out here. Ooh. Something just swiped at it right there. Right next to the boat. I think this bait does a pretty good job at imitating the shad. Ooh, that guy hit it right next to the boat. On the sluggo, and the little jig head there. I think I'm using like an 1/8 ounce right now. Guys, I am extremely excited to announce that we officially have all the tools necessary to catch a clown knife fish. This dude underneath the bridge showed me that there was a ton of shad under the bridge, and I caught them. And now we are going to use them as bait for a clown knife fish. This whole time I thought I was never going to catch shad. There's not enough shad in this lake. Everyone's catching all the shad. No. There's plenty of shad for everybody. Ooh, got one, guys. That's a big one. Oh, it's a big one, guys. It's a monster. Oh, it's just a peacock. They fight really hard. Okay. On the shad. First peacock today. Ooh. Almost broke my rod. Okay, we're good. Alright. Hopefully you guys can see what's going on. He's not that big. He's just fighting real hard. Got some kind of parasite in his mouth. Oh well. Pretty fish. Like a 2-pounder. That is a good way to start fishing these canals, guys. Just hit that shad right there. Thumped it. He was ripping out drag under the boat. Alright guys, we got a new shad on. And we are going to catch some monsters now. It is on. It is on. Oh my god, that was crazy, guys. Peacock ate it in the grass. It's just a peacock, but... Alright. Fish on, guys, on the shad. Alright. What is it? Oh, it's a nice peacock. Oh my gosh. Holy crap. That's a slob peacock, guys. Sweet. Peacocks are always fun, but not what we came for. Ooh, this one's got like the mouth parasites too. Look at that, guys. That's weird. Look at that beautiful peacock, though. That was a nice fish. It's got a nice hump on there. Like a 3-pounder. They're a lot brighter in this lake than in the canal that I usually fish for them. Beautiful colors on that fish. We got 1 hour left to fish. Can we catch that clown knife fish that we came for? I don't know. But it's time to double our chances. Here we go. Got one on this. Oh, got one. That's a nice one. It's a peacock again. Just tell how he's fighting. Alright. Nice peacock. Right there. Little hump on there. On the shad. Oh my god. I don't know if you guys saw that. This bass ate this shad like right next to me. That's a nice fish too. It's not a bad bass. There we go. That's like a 2-pounder on the shad. Alright guys, we got one on here. Oh, it's a largemouth again. Ate that thing. There's a little largemouth. Alright y'all, so we are on the way back in. Unfortunately, I did not get to see a clown today, but we will be back here shortly. Look at that dude on the jetpack. That's awesome. I wish I could do that.
So as you can see, we didn't exactly catch the fish we were looking for, the clown knife fish. They're super hard fish to catch. They're really sensitive, and there's not a whole lot of them, but they're definitely in that lake. I'm definitely going to keep coming back until I do catch them. This is the setup I was using right here. Spartacus Maximus, paired up with the Royale Legend. It's the 7-foot. Spartacus Maximus is actually a saltwater reel, so this is my like all-around rod. It's really cool because I can switch it up from bass fishing and then take it right into some snook fishing or anything like that. So that's what I've been using. I got 25-pound Cast King braid on here. I'm using 17-pound fluorocoat for the leader here, and we were just I don't have it on right now, but I just had a split shot and a live bait hook, and that was all the rig was. And we were just rigging the shad live and just kind of trolling them, casting them near docks and stuff like that. But anyways, guys, if you don't know who I am, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Check out the casting channel as well, and hopefully we can catch a clown eventually. Till then, stay tuned for next week, guys.